All right, here's our first example. Take 1 minute and try this one out, then we'll go over it. Okay, 1 minute, go. Find the lateral and total surface area of the cone. Okay, no problem. So let's find the formula first. I'm going to write the formula out here. Pi times the radius. I guess we'll use purple. Try to make it consistent there. Times L, that's the slant height. And then we're going to add pi times the radius. And again, you can do radius times radius if you like, or you can do radius to the power of 2, like it showed in the formula. But I am going to show radius times radius. Now, in this problem, they gave us a diameter because it showed the full length of that circle there at the bottom. But I don't want diameter. There's no diameter in the formula that we have, although you could if you'd like. So what I need then is the radius. So I take the diameter and I cut it in half. Okay, that is the radius. That would be 18 divided by 2, which is 9. In this case, 9 miles. So I take my radius and I replace it with 9 in the formula. And again, after we get all these values, you're just going to put this into the calculator, by the way. So it's going to be pi times 9 times the slant height plus pi times 9 times 9. And the slant height on this one was given here at 20.1 miles. They probably should have indicated that it's this slant height right here, but it doesn't matter which side it's on. Still 20.1, so I'm going to replace that L, which is slant height, with 20.1 right there. Okay, 20.1. Now you can do this part by part in the calculator, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to type it completely into my calculator. Pi, and I am using the pi button. Remember, that's the fourth button down from the top left, times 9 times 20.1 plus pi times 9 times 9. And when I push enter, it tells me that the final answer here for the total surface area of this cone is 822.783116. I will round this to the nearest hundredth. It didn't really say where we should have rounded, but 0.78. And again, we are dealing with a surface area on this one, so it is in miles, but now it's square miles. And yeah, oh, and it did ask for that. I completely missed that part. It does want the lateral area on this as well. In fact, we'll make it orange instead. The lateral area is this portion of the formula. Pi times radius times length. So then in order to find the lateral area, I would take pi, which is just pi, times the radius, which we know is 9, and multiply by the slant height, which we see is 20.1. And again, I'm just going to type this directly into the calculator, pi times 9 times 20.1, and I get the lateral area of 568.314111. So again, I'm going to round to the nearest hundredth, 0.31 there. And again, we need to label this in square miles. There we go.